Marhaba. Marhaba means hello. The Arabic language is special. It has a spoken variety and a formal literary variety. Literary or modern standard Arabic is common to all Arabic speakers worldwide. It is used mainly in the news, in official documents, lectures, and other formal occasions. However, spoken Arabic is used actively in every sphere of life. In social media, film, interviews, songs, modern literature, and of course, in everyday interactions between all kinds of people. Beelango will teach you spoken Arabic, which is the foundation of all communication. Spoken Arabic is the native language of Arabs worldwide, and it's the language in which people think.